right. So she's lined up. I did have to use a tree felling wedge because my setup on the jack isn't quite level. And I don't know if this is meant to rotate the jack this way or if it's supposed to go this way, but it, for whatever reason, doesn't seem to work right. I did get the bolts all lined up. It's basically just checking this angle here. So I took, sorry, everything's a mess here. I took the alignment tool. I double checked that it went in and out really smooth. It did. And I took my adjustable level here. I don't know if you can see it. This one's worn away, the sticker is, which kind of sucks because this was one of my favorite tools, but you can see I'm about 9.5, 10 degrees, probably closer to 10 degrees. So I got that off of the alignment tool on the clutch, and then I came up here and laid it on top. There's a bolt up there, and made sure that I was facing the level the correct way and got it dialed in. And then it was just wiggling and wiggling and wiggling and pushing, and I'm wondering why I decided to do this in the first fucking place.